Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having steak, mashed potatoes, cheesy broccoli, and some onions on the side.
How y'all doing?
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday, fun day. She said, let's start eating. I got a headache and I'm hungry, so you know what time it is, family. Grab down right now. First day, I don't know if I want you to cut my steak in my head, but I'll cut my steak for me now.
My you say I gotta bite it, my youth. Now guys, how have you guys been? I hope let me see if you guys have seen on the community post.
They're not paying attention.
They're not paying attention. Where I asked family members them to, if you live in Los Angeles and you want some free patties, I want to ship, thank you baby, I want to ship patties, we want to ship patties to somebody in California to make sure that, since it's further than Florida, we don't want to ship it to Georgia or Texas because that is close still, right? We want somewhere that's far, and if it can make it there, it can make it anywhere.
I have no fear when the patty time is here. Relaunch again, so you know. If you read that post, you should see. I guess you don't want them.
You want me to cut it? You want me to cut it?
Please. I love my first day to cut my steak. Damn, steak, I taste piece of that nice season, man. Family, you so what? I don't know no cut steak, family. I just bite. First day, I love my first day to cut my steak.
I'm gonna pause this.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You my friend.
So.
Here, take a bite.
Let me turn my steak better to me. You can see good.
How y'all been? Yes. We was in Texas, yeah. We was. It was. You know? We're gonna drop a little video to show you why I went there, you know? And we had to go there. It was a must trip, it had to happen, you know? And it happened at the right time. So we let you know what in the video. When we drop it, you'll see why we went there. What?
I don't like the fat part.
What's it, T-bone steak?
That's just.
This shit. You gotta act my food thing. I deserve this steak. I feel much better now. I had a rough day, family. You know? You know how it is sometimes. What you gotta do? You gotta keep on moving, you know? Don't let it get to you too bad, but the situation is getting to me. Every day I come play the first day, you know? But the situation is gonna be taken care of soon, pretty soon. You guys know that situation depends on me. It's all on me. Right?
That's a heavy task.
All on me. With the help of first aid, you know? I'm so excited. You know, but you know they say you gotta creep before you walk. So I'm creeping.
Oh my goodness. I should have actually given me some coconut water.
Oh shit. You want it? I don't you could pause it. You sure you don't want it?
I don't want to be thinking, my love. I'll drink it later.
Oh yeah. Coconut what he has because it came off our tree.
Yeah.
We got the best coconut. They done now.
I'm so sad.
So nice and sweet.
Yeah, I like to look up into the coconut and coconut tree.
Something, you know, water broccoli.
In the coconut tree and it's just sitting there, you know? Coconuts. Not anymore because we done devoured it.
Oh, 8 minutes in. If you, don't forget to like, comment, share. If you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, get to know us. We got a lot of videos y'all could watch.
Catch up on it.
Catch up. Don't judge till you watch, you know what I'm saying?
That's true. Don't forget,
Say
we
it
are
again,
looking for somebody
Yep.
to ship some patties to.
Yep. Who gonna be a lucky person?
DM us on Instagram at the Greedy Couple 1.
Yep.
Or email us at thegreedycouple1 at gmail.com.
Yep.
I understand.
Again, we're gonna start the relaunch of the patties them, but we want to make sure we try something out first, so we need your help. So
Yes.
let us know. Yes, it's free.
We only need one person. So, first come, first serve.
Yep. This steak is cooked right.
Cook good, right?
I love my grill.
Most men love grills. You know, we did a video of while we went to Texas, but it wasn't a vlog like with food or anything like that. We were just vlogging what happened to me, you know? So, let us know if you want to see that video, okay? If you do, we'll edit it and we'll drop it. So you guys can see exactly
What happened?
what was done to me.
Why we went there, you
It
know?
was crazy.
Yeah.
But I have to say, it helped a lot. It helped a whole lot.
That's good. That's the main thing. That's the main thing.
Some people would say, why do you go so far just for that? But
Only if they know.
when you're in pain,
Yeah.
nothing you can do.
Yep. You full?
You full?
Full.
What you talking about, Willis?
I ain't reached to my bowl yet. Full. That steak is good. I love the way you make the steak.
I try to change up the broccoli. Make some cheesy broccoli. You know.
Take one of them broccoli. I made my fire broccoli.
It's because cheese is on it.
I have broccoli. Please don't do.
I love your haircut. You look so good.
Thank you. Wow.
You're welcome. You okay?
Broccoli gonna run, please. Oh yeah. And we got a next trip coming up for y'all. Thank you. We got a next trip coming up for y'all, family. Keep watching. Excuse me. It's coming. No. We're not going back to Dubai. Cut it out.
Oh no.
No, we're not.
Not yet.
No.
We want to go back.
No, family. I'm broke now.
You broke? For real?
I'm not that time. Wow. Eat the bone. So that's my meat.
I can't believe all this time I never used to eat the bone.
The family class thick that steak is. I see it, right? I see it.
It's thickums.
Healthy steak. Bone good, right? Best part.
It is. Wow. I season it with Montreal steak season. Everglaze. Garlic.
See, I did the egg glaze, dog. Very good. Oh, you didn't use the other season?
Right here. Oh.
What I've been using now. This one right too? This is good. Ah.
It's about to go down, family. With this steak bone. I don't know how you do that.
No.
You always leave meat. That's a bone? That's a bone? Oh, I thought it was meat.
Not a bone.
Well, it's a lot of meat on the bone, though.
Wow. I didn't start yet.
That's what I'm saying.
I still got my cup.
He still has that cup. Let's see how long he's gonna have it.
Look at this gigantic bone, family. All that meat. A big steak.
What's your favorite steak? I love T-bone. I like ribeye.
I don't know, any steak you cook for me.
Any steak?
You going hard.
Come on.
Mine didn't cut you.
Just right here?
You're gonna be cutting me too. I know the spots.
You're gonna get. Tom, you could lose a teeth here now. You gotta be careful. You eating the bone like this,
Yep.
you could lose a teeth.
I say you gotta be careful, cause some hard and sneaky. Damn, I gotta get that. You gotta say,
What?
be saying, damn, I gotta go get that piece of meat down here. You bite it, boom,
Yeah.
my
Yeah, can you think it's meat and it's a bone? That's true. Montreal season is good.
Wow. This is delicious. I love my beard is on. You see my beard?
Yeah, it's not there. It's good.
They left.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Not like this.
You're like, man, we ain't seen watching eat no bone.
They left already.
Long time, man.
We've been gone. They left. I just said, damn, they wish they had that bone. No, that's all.
Let me tell you guys something. Texas ain't no joke. It is hot. Okay? It is hot. It should not be so hot. It can't be that hot. We've been to Vegas. And Vegas is hot. But I don't remember it being as hot as Texas. I mean, Texas is on a different level.
Texas is hot though.
Hot.
We were driving like we lived there.
For real.
All over.
We had Mexican food because you know it's a lot of Mexicans that live in Texas. Well, in Houston actually. I don't know about everywhere else, but I know Houston because that's where we were. And we had some food from a food truck. Oh, that food truck was busting. Those tacos was busting. And so Richie had left something in the car. He was in the he was doing something, so he asked me to go get it from the car. I went to go get it and just walk into the car. Oh God, I was exhausted. It's so hot. I started off walking regular. And then the car wasn't even far. Then halfway to the car, I started slowing down. I'm like, oh my God, it's hot. Y'all tripping out in Texas.
It's hot though. We're in Houston, no? Houston, no? We're going to speak for Houston.
Yeah, that's where we were. But y'all have a taco truck on like every other corner. There's so many taco trucks in Houston. So many.
Yeah. A lot of food trucks.
A lot. But the tacos then was fire.
Watch it.
You can't go to Texas and not have Mexican food. Mexican is all over. You have to try it, right?
I'm telling you, be careful. Watch out, I cut on myself.
Careful. You gotta have a napkin because your mouth get covered when you try to reach the meat. Stop, Sasha.
She want that one.
All right.
Alright.
I'm done.
They left. Let me give you the word though. You don't know they left because I'm gonna continue my bone. They gone, right? Okay. If y'all still here, let me give y'all the word. I know some of y'all going already. You know what I'm saying? Okay. First lady, listen. Family members, viewers, subscribers, you know. Family. No one has the right to judge you because no one really knows what you have been through. They might have heard the stories, but they didn't feel what you felt in your heart. Okay? So now I say that, I'm going to continue eating my bone. So if you're still there, I gave it to y'all, okay? I'm going to continue my bone. I'm gone, my youth.
Send us out, my youth. I'll go home now.
I'm going home now. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are?
And you guys are the Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!
Two hours later.
Wow.
That Montreal steak seasoning?
Go.
It's good, I like it. I got nothing else on this bone.
I'm doing everything. Every piece of carne. I'm going in.
I know if the kids want any. No, to me, I just ate something.
You want to steak, money?
You had a steak.
You got a steak. Very naturally. Wow. You want sweet, John?